Make sure there's no cars coming. I'm gonna videotape you taking off with it. Here he goes. You got a passion for this stuff, don't you? Huh? Car coming this way. That is windy all of a sudden, isn't it? Might be too windy. Yeah. That wind, if you get up higher, it's going to blow it all over the place. It's up to you. I don't know. That's awesome. Oh, there's a car coming in the street. Hey, this is your opportunity to thank Jenny and Michael if you want.
Hey, Jenny and Michael. This is all I do nowadays. Come out and fly my plane a couple of times. Can you show them the plane?
Yep. I can see the plane. There we are.
Come down here.
There we are. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's catching it. That's the thing. You gotta be careful. Oh, okay. You're a lot better at flying those things than I am. That's still neat as heck. That's awesome.
That was awesome, man. I'll try that right now.
Hey, but you got it down without anything going on.
You see that?
Yeah, that's awesome, man. I love it.
See, that wind is bad.
Yeah. Here, I'll grab it before this car hits it. Hey, you did a good job. You're a professional. You fly for a living. Got it?
Yeah, I come down pretty good.
That's a good job. A man and his passion. You can never beat that.
Yeah, small.